Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Oh, I was trying to see if you want something to.
Uh, uh, uh. Oh, bro! My bad.
What the hell?
I'm sorry. My
When
bad.
you sneeze, cover your mouth. Damn. I ain't trying to catch nothing. If I catch something, you catching these hands. God damn. Out here spreading Ebola. What's wrong with you? Man, cover your mouth, bro. I ain't trying to see what that mouth do. Damn.
What's up, bro? Hey, bro, what you got? Oh, I got a tuna sandwich. Tuna? You white? It looks a little dry. It's still gonna taste good. Oh shoot.
Oh, what the hell, bro? Did you just sneeze in my food?
My bad, dog. I'm sorry, man.
Hell, just because you said it was dry doesn't mean I want you to moisten it with your snot spit. Damn! I don't know what this is anymore. Matter of fact, here!
It's all yours. Enjoy. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, bro?
You about to die. Did you just touch me with your sneeze juice? Oh, hell no! Oh, you about to get your ass whooped. Lord, forgive me, because I'm about to send someone to your house unannounced. Come here!